Meaning of hypnotic.
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 Hypnotic. Hypnotic is an adjective that describes something that has a trance-like effect on the mind, often inducing a feeling of deep relaxation and altered consciousness. It can refer to music, art, or a strong suggestion that puts someone in a state of hypnosis. The result of a hypnotic experience can be profound and intense, often leading to a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Hypnotic suggestions can also be used for therapeutic purposes, such as overcoming anxiety or addiction. Overall, hypnotic suggests a powerful and potentially transformative experience that deeply affects the mind and body.